and welcome to Amazon. Today we are going to analyze patterns and the Canvas business model. What is Amazon? Amazon is the largest internet-based retailer in the United States. It started as an online bookstore, later diversifying to sell DVDs, CDs, videos, music, electronics, apparel, furniture, food, and toys, just to mention some. The company also produces consumer electronics, notably Amazon Kindle e-book readers, and also sells certain low-end products under its in-house brand Amazon Basics. Our vision is to be the Earth's most customer-centric company, to build a place where people can come to find and discover anything they might want to buy online. Now let's talk about numbers. Amazon has a market share of nearly 35%, clearly above big companies like Staples and Apple. It employs nearly 100,000 people and has more than 270 million active customer accounts. But what about patterns? Amazon can be classified both as a long-tail business or a multi-platform. Long-tail businesses focus on a large number of products, each selling in low volumes, have a big amount of small niches and no storage costs. On the other side, multi-sided platform businesses bring together two or more distinct but interdependent groups of customers. On this presentation, we're going to focus on the long-tail pattern. But how does Amazon fit in this pattern? On one side, Amazon has no storage costs, as it connects the provider and the buyer directly. On the other side, it has many different products for many different niches. Let's now proceed to the Canvas business model. In this, we will be analyzing Amazon on its whole and the Kindle specifically, as we consider this to be Amazon's star product. This is a Canvas, which is a strategic management and entrepreneurial tool which allows you to describe, design, change, invent, and pivot any business model. Starting with the customer segments. These are the different groups of people or organization and enterprise aims to reach and serve. Just like we said when describing the long-term pattern, Amazon has big quantities of small niches, both customer and providers and developers. Concerning Kindle, the customer segment can be identified as teenage, young adult, and adult readers. Value propositions describe the bundle of products and services that create value for a specific customer segment. We must emphasize Amazon's wide range of products, its availability, the price, and the customer experience it offers. Just as its vision states, it allows customers and providers to go global in minutes. It offers speed, agility, and elasticity. It allows non-hit items and hit items to coexist in a unique site. Regarding Kindle, it offers a unique performance. Channels. Channels are the way in which a company communicates with and reaches its customer segments to deliver a value proposition. Obviously, Amazon reaches its many small niches through the internet, using both the Amazon.com site and mobile apps available. Distributors are also the effective way to get to its million customers all around the globe. Customer relationships are the types of relationships a company establishes with the specific customer segments. Amazon is defined as an automat services. This type of relationship mixes a more sophisticated form of customer self-service with an automat process, as the customer is the one to make his or her own purchase, but the site suggests new possible purchases depending on the first. It also has an easy return policy if the product does not satisfy customer needs, and it promotes trustful, clear, and transparent treat. Revenue streams. They represent the cash a company generates from each customer segment. We detect clear asset sales. It is the most widely understood revenue stream and derives from selling ownership rights to a physical product. Amazon obtains its incomes from retail sales, the commission on reseller sales, and Prime monthly subscriptions. On the Kindle side, we must underline the ebooks and obviously the content. Key resources. They describe the most important assets required to make a business model work. On a physical point of view, we have the transit warehouse, which allows the right distribution of all the sold products. On the human side, the star key resource is the web, which is the pillar on which the rest is built and which is also include the apps. In the intellectual side, we must highlight the Kindle platform. Key activities. They describe the most important things a company must do to make its business model work. Amazon's great success is based on the great performance of its web and apps, so we consider its development and maintenance as a key activity. It also stands out for its constant innovation, bringing new products and services non-stop, or new ways of delivery, such as the famous drones they are about to start using with this purpose. The well-working net of logistics and distribution is also fundamental on Amazon's success. Key partnerships. They describe the network of suppliers and partners that makes the business model work. Amazon's accomplishments are also thanks to its partnerships, who can be divided into suppliers and manufacturers, network of sellers, the alliance with social network in order to advertise, publishers, and the niche content providers. Cost structure. It describes all costs incurred to operate a business model. Due to the lack of stocks, Amazon has a low cost structure. Most of their money is invested in the platform development and maintenance. This is the IT and fulfillment infrastructure. We must highlight the economy of scope. Amazon is able to use the technology developed for internet selling books and other goods to offer cloud computing services at competitive prices. In the following graphs, we can see some information regarding these costs. In the first one, the development of the cost through time can be seen, and the evolution of Amazon is present. On the second one, we supply some numeric data about Amazon's cost, where we can see how through time, Amazon's costs have gone up in a similar proportion to how sales have gone. In summary, Amazon's intentions is to reach everyone, in every place, with a wide variety of products. As seen before, Amazon makes less of more, making a picture of the long-tail business model.